where I have written the code already. So here we can see the coding. Here we see the coding. So here, as I told before, in the previous video also, here we need to define the pins, which pins we are using. So programming pins are same. Okay, pin mode is what here we define the pins what we are defined here, and whether it's an input or output we need to define in this void setup session, right, section. So here we have defined the all pins are output, right. Now coming to the round, because in this video we need to glow our LED light 5 times. So see how I have written the code. So LED light will glow for 2 seconds and will off for 2 seconds. High means what? It's glowing. That means 5 volt has been supplied to the LED. So the light is going to glow for 2 seconds and it is going to off for 2 seconds. Again, it's like 5 times. It's like from here to till here. So light will glow and off for 5 times. Can you see the code? It's very easy. Now coming to the green light, this green LED will glow for 3 times and will off for 3 times. Till here the coding. See, this is for glowing the light, glowing the LED light for 2 seconds and it will off for 2 seconds. Again it will glow for 3 seconds. Again it will off for 2 seconds. Again it will glow for 3 seconds and it will off for 2 seconds. Correct? So after this, same with the blue also. Okay, 2 times it will glow and off. So this is the simple coding. Okay, so we will go to the simulator now and we will check the output whether it's coming or not. Okay, so as we know, this is simulator, same circuit diagram what we have used yesterday. Okay, like in the previous video what we have seen, same circuit diagram, no need to change anything. Okay, and coding I have just pasted the code over here. You know how to paste the code, right? Simple way. Like how do we copy and paste? Same, copy it from the Arduino software and paste it over here. Okay, just mean to go to the code. Okay, after going to the code we need to select the text model. Okay, once we select text, when we select text, this thing comes and we need to paste over here. Okay, and once this is done, we will just run our code. Okay, that means need to click on the simulator, start simulator, and we'll see the output. So I'm just going to click here. Now I have clicked on it and let's check the output. See, now we can count 1 time, it's off for 2 seconds now. Again it is on for 2 seconds. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. So it is oning and offing for 2 seconds, right? Similar, and green LED, it will glow for 3 times and will off for 3 times, right? On off, it will happen 3 times. 2 times. 3 times. Now the blue will go for 2 times, off, on, off. Again same, because it's in a loop. Again the red light will glow again. See, LED is glowing now. Fine. So this is how the output work. I hope you understood this thing. Okay, now just imagine here the code what we have written, it's very big code, right? The code is big. It's easy, but the code is little big, right? So how can we sort it out this code? How can we reduce the length of this code? So by using this for loop, there is a function. By using the for loop we can sort this code. Okay, how? Let's see this one. Okay, so what we will do, we will just write you will use the for loop so that the code can for int I equals to 0, int equals 0 I, because we want to glow it for the 5 times red LED, so we need to click out. Fine, can you see? So remaining 4 times we need to remove it. No need of writing this big code. Till here we will just delete it up. Fine, now again we will put the bracket over here. Okay, again the other thing will start. Same thing we will copy. Here I have using the integer I, and here I will use the integer j. Okay, okay, just remove I and we'll put j, and this has to be not 5 times, it has to be 3 times, right? 3 times, and j plus plus, j plus plus. Okay, after that we need to start the iteration. Till here we'll remove other 3 codes. So I hope you can see we are removing the code, we are sorting out the codes, right? And we will close the bracket here. Then again we will begin with k. Here the integer we will take k. Okay, so k integer we are going to take here because I and j is already used, so just use k integer. Okay, just use k integer, and this has to be 2 times, so we need to make it 2, and this is k plus plus. Okay, this is a basic programming like what we had learned in C programming, same thing. Then we need to remove this one, no need of this one. Okay, now we will just close it up. Okay, so now the coding has been done. Okay, now what we will do, we will copy the code and we will just paste it in the Control A, Control C. Let's go here, and just no need to make any changes in the circuit diagram. Circuit diagram will remain same. Just select everything, then we are going to remove this code and we are going to paste that code. So as we can see, the code has been pasted over here. So just need to run the simulator and we will check the output whether it's coming or not. Start the simulation. Once the simulation starts, we can able to see the output. So here's the code. Some error is showing. Let's see what is that error. Okay, k plus plus j plus plus 0 int r. So let's see what type of error we are getting. J does not name a type. Just a second, we'll just run the code first here. We'll just compile this code and check if there is a error or not. We're just checking for the error. If there's any error, we cannot use this code for the simulation. This compiling will take a little bit time, because based on time it's checking for the error, if the code have any error. So now we can see that code has been reduced. Okay, the same code has been pasted to the simulator and we can see the output. Okay, so wait for the compilation is done, then we can check the output. That the comparison is done, we'll check the error to solve. What if I use I only here? Instead of just writing if I use I itself for all cases, and we'll check the output whether it's coming or not. Okay, let's do the simulation now. So it's saying the error is in 24 separate unqualified ID before for. So it's showing some error. Let me check for the error output. Meanwhile, we'll check here also. There's an unexpected qualified ID. What is unexpected qualified ID? Before for. So debugging the error is very important. ID before for int k less than 3 g plus plus and k is equal to 0, k less than 0 and k plus plus. Okay, I got it, because here we need to put a bracket, open bracket, and then we need to close it over here. Okay, because closing is not been given here, that's why it's showing some errors. Okay, now I hope it's not going to show any error. Let's check. So debugging is very important, guys. Okay, make sure your code is correct, and you need to check again and again. Even a small minor mistakes, you won't be able to find out where is the error. Okay, so before doing, just check whether your code doesn't have any error. So now we can see our code doesn't have any kind of error. Okay, the compilation is done. So we'll just take this code and we'll just paste it in the simulator. So there the output will, we can able to see the output. Just Control C and we'll paste it in the simulator, right? And we'll check the output. So it took some time, right? Because of the error. If you know how to debug the error, that means you can able to do the programming. Okay, now the coding, I have pasted the programming over here, and you will start the simulator and you will check the output. So now we can see LED light is glowing for 5 times, and off time is 2 seconds, right? And on time is also 2 seconds. So it will glow for 2 seconds and it will off for 2 seconds. So LED light will glow for 5 times, and green light will glow for 3 times. Okay, just count: 1 time, 2 times, off for 2 seconds, and again 3 times, like that. So this is how the coding works, guys. I hope you understood this coding. Okay, and in the future, in the coming videos, we are also going to see so many things and programmings, and we will learn those things. Okay, so thank you for watching.